All right, so it snowed last night. A little bit of freezing rain on top of that, so snow's going to be kind of heavy. Perfect chance to try out the repair on the 3-point hitch for the tractor. Figure if it'll handle moving this stuff, it should be good to go. So just get finished shoveling out around here, clean the vehicles off, and I can start pushing snow. So we got this here I don't know, scraper brush, I guess. Got it at Costco. It extends. It's got a squeegee on it. The broom, of course, and scraper. It extends out, moves. Like you can turn the brush around. It's actually great. And I think I'm going to need 2 hands for this. A little windy out here, so excuse the wind noise if there is any. So that link repair, it held up the plowing. Got my stuff done here, got my neighbors plowed out. Now the tractor warmed up and head out to the woods and see how well it works getting some firewood hauled in here. Now this stuff is kind of small and a lot healthier than I'd like to be cutting, but it's right on the edge of the road here. I'm trying to get it widened out. Back here, see, I don't know what I'd do with that. Like, try and find maybe find like a good small tree to leave. I don't think there is one though. Probably have to take that clump out. That maple there's scrubby. Now behind that there's that old cedar growing right up against that big maple, and I'm sure that'd be or right in there. So probably have to take all that. It's probably, yeah, be over half a cord in that tree probably. That little fir there is healthy enough, but say it's right on the side of the road. Limbs are overhanging, so that'll go. There might be some damage on this side, but anyway, make some spring or fall firewood. Better view of that maple from here. Kind of see right there, it's flared out, so I'm sure there's rot in there. Now, say I'll just get more of that small stuff out, do a twitch of that, and come back for this bigger one. Alright, hooked up. Fingers crossed, and let's hope that's in one piece when I get it. Alright, this is going to put that welding job to the test. I'm out. Weld held up. So, figure if it'll haul that maple. Should hold. Did have a butt cut piece on there, 9 or 10 feet long maybe. Unhooked that. Just because it was so heavy, the tractor's digging in and standing up. So I can go back and get that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed with it. So anyway, I am starving and I'm gonna go in, get something to eat. I guess tomorrow I'll get this stuff processed up and put in, and go get some more out. All right, that's it.